Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to strip comments from JSON file inside Node.js. So basically inside any sort of programming file here, specifically in JSON file, we write a lot of comments. So this is, you can see, double slashes right followed by a comment. So now to remove these comments, there is a simple library which is available in Node.js, and with the help of simple JavaScript and TypeScript we can remove these comments. So this is a library name here, strip-json-comments. The link will be there inside video description. I have given this the blog post link. You can just go to the video description link to copy paste all the source code. So now if you just go to the npm.js website here, I will show you a complete example. So you can see this is the package manager site here, and here you need to search for this module which is strip-json.comments. So this is the library I'm talking about. The very first result which comes in, just click it. So this eliminates all the comments which are there in JSON files. You will see. You can see the weekly downloads, 34 million downloads, weekly downloads is there. So now to use this module, I will show you from scratch how to do this. So basically I will go to the projects directory. I will open it. I will make a new directory, JSON strip comments. I will go to into this directory here, and I will make initialize this command here, npm init dash y. So this will create empty package.json file. So now you can open this inside your code editor. You can see package.json file is there. So this contains the information about your project. So now simply we can install this module here, which is npm I strip dash json dash comments. So enter, and this is installed here. You will see this is the dependency which is installed. And now basically inside your root directory, just make index.js file, and in the in order to import this, so you will simply make the variable strip json comments, and you will make use of require statement generally. So basically you will require this module which is strip json comments here, and then you will initialize a sample json file here. So you you know how to write basic json here. So this is the basic syntax of writing json file here. So basically the comments will be there right above, which is the name of the person. So this is a simple comment I have written. Put a comma, and then we will write the age of the person. So we need to eliminate these comments. So age is numeric, so 45. So this is a sample JSON. We need to eliminate this. So we can print this on the console log, and we can pass it inside JSON pass. So this will convert the JavaScript object to a JSON string. So here we will use our strip JSON comments, and we will pass our sample JSON here like this. So now we can simply run this application. So we can say node index.js. So you will see it will throw your error here because it is expecting you to use the import statement instead of require statement. So many of the new modules which are coming in Node.js require you to use import statement instead of require statement. So they are not compatible with these require statement. So what you need to do is that you need to go to your package.json file, and simply you need to put a line here inside the script section, which is the type is equal to module. Put a comma again, that's it. So this is a line you need to add here. You just need to modify this package.json file, and you need to initialize type attribute and is equal to module. So just replace this line, that's it. And now if you run this once again, you will see, and now we need to import this. So this line changes here. We will now use import statement. So we can say strip JSON comments from this dependency, which is strip JSON comments. So basically this require statement changes to import statement. So now we can run this file here, which is node index.js. So it is again expecting a JSON string. So I think our syntax is not correct. So we can just see why it is throwing. Oh, sorry, this needs to be not. I think this is correct JSON. So you can go to the video description link. I have given the link in the video description. What it is showing here. So I think this needs to be in double quotes. So that is why it was throwing error. So just make it in all double quotes here. So once again, run this. So it is again throwing. I think we can eliminate this. So once again, run this. Strip JSON dot console. Oh, we haven't put this backtick symbol. So guys, you need to put this backtick symbol here. So this makes the JSON here. So just put this backtick symbol here, which allows you to write multiple lines of code here. So just put this backtick symbol. And once again, if you run this, let me do, let me copy paste this. And this is the example here we are using here. You can see now it has removed all the comments here which are there. It has removed this rainbow comment. We can change this comment to anything here. We can add as many comments as we want here. You can see it has removed here. You can add more properties here, which is age 15. You can see. So in this easy way, guys, you can replace any sort of JSON here, and you can strip out the comments which are there inside it. And with the help of this library, which is strip JSON comments, the full example code will be there inside the video description. So just download all the source code. I will be seeing you in the next video.